Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Volkswagen Jetta headlight. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your Jetta is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and manageable for anyone. Now let's access the bulb. Open your Jetta's hood and find the headlight unit. Depending on your model, you might need to remove a few screws or clips holding a plastic cover in place. Once the cover is off, you'll see the back of the bulb. Gently twist and pull to disconnect the electrical connector, ensuring you don't damage the wires. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. There's usually a retaining clip or a twist mechanism. Unclip or twist it, then pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its base. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, making sure it clicks into place. Then, reattach any covers or clips you removed earlier, securing the headlight assembly. Finally, turn on your Jetta and test the new headlight. Check both low and high beams to ensure everything is working perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.